This is the Samsung Premiere LSP9T, and Samsung claims it can replace your giant living room TV with a projector that sits just inches from the wall. Sounds pretty incredible, right? But here's the thing. Most projectors come with compromises. Maybe they're not bright enough. Maybe the image quality falls apart during the day. Or maybe setup becomes a nightmare. So, after spending serious time with the LSP9T, I found that Samsung got a lot of things right. But there are also a few surprises that you won't hear about in the marketing material. Samsung Premiere LSP9T product overview. So, what exactly are we looking at? The Samsung Premiere LSP9T is a premium ultra-short-throw 4K laser projector designed to deliver a truly massive screen experience without requiring a dedicated theater room. Released as Samsung's flagship home cinema projector, it's aimed at movie lovers, gamers, and anyone who wants a giant screen experience without mounting an 85-inch television on the wall. Its biggest selling point is simple. It can create an image up to 130 inches while sitting just a few inches away from your wall or projection screen. Under the hood, you get triple laser technology, native 4K resolution, HDR support, Samsung's smart TV platform, and surprisingly powerful built-in speakers. Samsung Premiere LSP9T performance. Okay, specs are one thing, but how does it actually perform? Honestly, this is where the LSP9T starts to justify its premium price tag. The first thing that grabs your attention is brightness. With its powerful triple laser system, the image remains impressively vibrant even in rooms that aren't completely dark. During daytime viewing with curtains partially open, I could still comfortably watch sports, YouTube videos, and TV shows without feeling like the image was washed out. Movie performance is especially impressive. Colors look rich, blacks are surprisingly deep for a projector, and HDR content delivers a level of punch that many projectors simply can't match. Gaming performance is solid too. Input lag is low enough for casual and even competitive gaming, and the giant screen makes racing games, sports titles, and open-world adventures feel larger than life. But it's not all perfect. Features and tech. Let's talk about the features that make the LSP9T stand out. First up is the triple laser light engine. Instead of using a traditional lamp, Samsung uses separate red, green, and blue lasers. Why should you care? Because this delivers richer colors, higher brightness, and a longer lifespan with virtually no maintenance. Next is the ultra-short throw design. The projector sits just inches from the wall while creating a massive image. That means no ceiling mounting, no long cable runs, and no projector hanging awkwardly in the middle of your room. Another standout feature is Samsung's smart TV platform. You get access to streaming apps like Netflix, YouTube, Disney+, and more directly from the projector. For many users, that means you don't even need an external streaming device. And then there's the sound system. Design and build. Aesthetically, Samsung knocked it out of the park. The LSP9T looks more like a premium piece of furniture than a traditional projector. The clean white finish blends nicely into modern living spaces, and the fabric-covered front adds a sophisticated touch. Build quality feels excellent throughout. Nothing feels cheap or flimsy. One thing I really appreciate is how practical the design is. Since it's an ultra-short throw projector, you can place it on a media console directly beneath the screen area. That makes installation dramatically easier than traditional projectors. Pros. Stunning 4K image quality with excellent brightness. Triple laser technology delivers outstanding color performance. Premium design that looks great in modern homes. Cons. Best performance requires a quality projection screen. Large physical footprint compared to a television. Final verdict. So, who is this for, and is it worth the money? If you've been dreaming about a true home theater experience without dedicating an entire room to a projector setup, the Samsung Premiere LSP9T is one of the most compelling options on the market. The combination of giant screen immersion, excellent brightness, vibrant colors, and easy installation makes it genuinely practical for everyday living rooms. Now, if you're someone who primarily watches content in a bright room and demands perfect black levels, a premium OLED TV may still be the better choice.